Yeah, we're recording. Okay. All right, who wants another cracker? Buster? Buster!
Buster.
Christine, this time, why don't you come over here? You got them all in the...
Yep. They're all four of them.
All right. Mr. Buster, such a polite dog. Casey. Sambo. And Lucy. Why don't you come over here, Christine, right over here, where you can... Right over there. Can you get their faces?
Yes.
Okay. All right, here we go. One more. Because we're such good little dogs, and it is, after all, Christmas time. Who would like a cracker? Would Sammy like one? Would Buster like one? How about... Oh. All right, here we go. Mr. Buster. Who's going to be next? I know Casey's a little blind. That's why she's hardly moving. Okay. Did you get one? Okay. Sambo, there you go. Now watch Lucy. Lucy can catch it. Ready? Good girl. All right. Merry Christmas. End of show.